In this weary world, I wander alone, searching for solace to call my own, a guiding light to lead me through the night, just a closer walk with Thee by my side. Through the valleys deep and the mountains high, I've walked in darkness, longing for the light, but I know, Lord, if You walk with me, You will guide me to a place where I'll be free. Just a closer walk with Thee, walk with Thee. Granted, Jesus is my plea, daily walking close to Thee, walking close to let it be, dear Lord. When the trials come and the storms roll in, I will trust in You, my Savior, my friend. Through every sorrow, through every tear, I will walk in faith, for I know You're near. And when my journey's at its end, take my hand, Lord, lead me in to that home beyond the skies, where Your love will never die. Just a closer walk with Thee, walk with Thee. Granted, Jesus is my plea, daily walking close to Thee, walking close to let it be, dear Lord, let it be.